In our previous class, we have discussed the literary devices with sound and sensory devices like alliteration, onomatopoeia, assonance and imagery, and all the examples are given. Now we will discuss all about these literary devices according to sound and sensory sensor like alliteration, onomatopoeia, assonance and imagery. Alliteration is repetition of initial consonant sounds like Peter, Piper, and onomatopoeia words that imitate sounds like buzzing, booming, and all these are the sound words. Assonance, repetition of vowel sounds, rain, Spain, A sound is repeated here. Imagery, descriptive language engaging in the senses like sparkling white snow. And later I will discuss all the three categories of imagery. After this, your work. Now name the figure of speech used in the following sentences. Go slow over the road. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The loud thunder crashed and shook the glass windows. All these are three sentences. What is the figure of speech used here? One by one, check your answer. Number one, it is assonance like go slow road. O sound is repeated. O, go, slow, O, over, O, and road, O sound, it is assonant. And Peter Piper picked a pickle pepper, it is only P sound is repeated at the beginning of the every word it is repeated. After the loud thunder crashed and shook the glass windows, it is imagery. To our sense, to our visual sense, we can imagine how it can happen. It is like a picture, so it is like an image and it is imagery. After this, meaning and structure. According to structure, according to meaning, what are the figure of speech? Irony, contrast between expectation and reality. Fire station burns. How is it possible? Next, symbolism, objects representing abstract ideas. Dove for peace. And allusion, indirect reference to something famous. Romeo. Romeo, you know, a famous character of Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. Now paradox, a contradictory statement that reveals a truth. Meaning and structure like irony, symbolism, allusion and paradox. Look at the picture like fire station burns. So how is it possible? It is possible in literary device. Symbolism like dove is the symbol of peace, you know. Allusion, it is only name of a person like Romeo in the Romeo Juliet of the story. It is written by William Shakespeare. And paradox, it is only contradictory statement that reveals a truth. Less is more. How is it possible? It is only possible in figure of speech. After this, your work. Now name the figure of speech used here. I must be cruel only to be kind. He was a real Romeo with the ladies. The ice turns cold. How is it possible? It is possible here only. Now check your answer. Your answer, the first one it is paradox, number two it is allusion, and number three it is irony. After this, meaning and structural devices. What are the meaning and what are the device? Now foreshadowing, hints of future events like stormy night. And flashback, you know, a scene from the past. I remember the tree bearing yellow flowers. And we can also name the story, name the poem I remember. And after this, allegory, a story with a hidden message. Allegory, allegorical allusion, it may tell us another story like animal fact. And next one, juxtaposition, placing elements side by side to highlight contrast. Affairs, all's fair in love and war. How is it possible? It is possible in literary devices. And understatement, downplaying a significant situation like we didn't play too bad. And here foreshadowing, allegory, juxtaposition, flashback and understatement. Look at the picture, it can tell you how is it possible, and all the suitable pictures tell us how they are used in our speech to beautify our speech. Now your work, name the figure of speech used in the following sentences. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. How is it possible? Best and worst both are same in the one sentence. It is possible in figure of speech. Have you read the tortoise and the hare? It is the tortoise and the hare. It is the story of fable, Aesop's fable. You know Aesop's fables. All these are the allegorical allusion. Now check your answer. First one it is juxtaposition and the second one it is allegory. After this imagery, I have told you they will be of three categories, like visual, that you can see the yellow sun burned bright in the blue sky. Whenever we read this statement, we can imagine a picture in our mind, that is visual effect is with the help of these words, and it is like a picture and it is an imagery, like an image, and auditory, that we can hear the loud thunder crashed and shook the glass windows. That is, we can hear the words and we can hear the sound. Same effect is with this auditory imagery, and this image is imagery as device in literary devices. Tactile, the cold wet snow stung his red cheeks. That is, we can feel, that we can feel also with the words, and it is like a picture, it is imagery. After this, I have told you 20 devices, literary devices. All these are the 20 devices. One by one I have discussed, and according to their category everything is discussed today. Now go to the name once again, so that you can remember all such devices. Whenever you are learning your literature, you will find their uses there. And in this way I will be discussing again and again